and they said, could you help it? And then I tried. I got whatever limited equipment I had. I just got some coconut oil. I first opened its mouth, made sure that I could put a stick in the mouth, so it would breathe. Then cleanse its eyes and all that stuff. It took me around 15 hours to do that. Okay, so I had to soak it in oil, and then in the end of it, it was a full treatment. That entire process took around 26 hours. Nature, and that's how a lot of deforestation is happening. Highways are being built through or close to these what we call devrais or sacred groves, and they're being threatened. Okay, but they're really, really important. If we need to exist, okay, there's something called One Health that is now a global approach to conservation. It's called One Health. And if we need to be healthy, even if we are very, very selfish creatures, if we are selfish and think only about ourselves, but if we need to exist and we need to be healthy, we need our cattle, our pets to be healthy. We need our trees to be healthy. We need our ecosystem to be healthy. We need our wildlife to be healthy. Only if all of us are healthy, all the living organisms that we share space with are healthy, then can our health be, promised to be good. So we need to conserve wildlife. Now, even if you're moving out from the traditional and cultural practices, we can still learn to coexist with wildlife in whatever way we can. Now, Goa is also has very beautiful waterfalls that you all probably know, and all these things are because of the sacred groves that have been protected by our ancestors, by the communities themselves, right? So it's sad whenever I take people to see the forest and witness what happens in the wild. It's sad to see. So
पार्वतीचा प्रिय सुता वीरभद्रण्णा 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 थैया
This photograph, of course, this is not from Goa, but adjacent to the Goa, and you can see the forest patches are cut and the plantations are done there because this is especially for the rubber plantation. So rubber was having the lots of value and money was there, so people have cut the forest and the rubber plantation or pineapple plantations have done. But in that process, we have lost many plants over there. Patches and patches we have lost. And along with that, we are not only losing the plants, but we are losing generation also who knows the importance of the plant and how the plants we can use in our daily life. So, what can be done? All these things are available freely. Whatever wild is there, freely available. Just go to the field, understand, and try to inculcate those plants or recipes in our daily routine, and try to understand how people are connected to that. That's the thing we can do to save our forest. Thank you.
To be able to stand in the middle of a stage, look around and name a plant must have taken years of studies, right? And years of learning. Can we give Doctor a bigger round of applause for all that knowledge, assimilation and sharing? Thank you for sharing with us, and we hope to take something of what we've heard from you forward, and we hope that some of us here, including myself, get curious about all good things that are in the wild. Thank you so very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you are here at day 2 of the Goa Forest Diversity Festival 2026. It's the first year of this festival, and we wanted to bring you everything culturally sound from Goa. Coming up next on stage to change the pace from listening to a lot of joy and intellect, we're now going to go ahead and witness a dance form. Coming up on stage is the Veerbhadra dance. Anybody knows what a Veerbhadra dance is? Anybody in the audience can enlighten us? How many of you have seen a Veerbhadra dance before? Someone say yes. Say something yes. Oh, okay. We've got two right up front. Anybody else? I know they've seen. Anyone else? A Veerbhadra dance? Yes. Devantika, have you? No. Today would be your first. All right. It has its mythological origins and it is a powerful Goan folk dance. It is ritualistic, it has a lot of prominence and it is, as we know, a roop of Shiva, a very angry one at that. And it has its own power, sometimes done with fire, sometimes not. We're going to be having our artists perform for you. What you